Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a what is on my iPhone. I've never done one of these and I've gotten a few suggestions to do it. I got a new phone case and also finally updated my phone with the iOS 14 and used Widgetsmith to kind of like customize it. I did that over Thanksgiving break, so I thought that would make this video more interesting. This is my phone. It's the iPhone 10, I think, XR. I don't really know, but I really like it. There's like so many new ones, like iPhone 12 Plus Max, but yeah, I really like this one. I think the camera is good. I don't use it to film a lot, but sometimes I will if I want it to be more subtle than my camera, so it does the job. And this is my new phone case. I've had the blue and purple one a while and I always get a ton of questions on that. That one was from Urban Outfitters, but I got this one from Wildflower. I think it's super cute. I got it like 2 days before Black Friday, which was kind of dumb of me, but yeah, I really like this one. I like how it's brown and the little hearts. I don't know, I think it's a cute design. So let me start screen recording. I'm gonna like scooch over here because I forgot I have to put like a screen recording. Also, I have some holiday decorations. I set it all up forgetting that I'm gonna be sitting like right in front of it, but that's what's going on. My lock screen is Connor and I. This is my favorite photo of us. I had it in my home screen, but then once I was doing like the little aesthetic photos and stuff, it didn't really go, but I like it as my lock screen. And then you open it and this is what it looks like. I just have one page. Here, I'm gonna turn my brightness down. It looks like flashlight is coming up. Over here is like all the apps that I just removed from my home screen. I can link the videos that I learned how to do it from down below, like to remove things from the home screen, like make photos and stuff. But yeah, so these are the two things from Widgetsmith, just this Saturday the 5th, and then this is also just Saturday December 5th, but this one has the time. And I got all these photos from my VSCO collection or Pinterest, some of them, and I always have my VSCO and Pinterest linked down below. Not that I'm too active on there, but I do just pin and repost things that I think are cute. Okay, so first we have Waze. I'm not gonna click on that because then I think that'll just pop up with like everywhere that I go. Yeah, my address is like the first thing on there, but I really like Waze. I like it better than Google Maps. I don't know why. It just tells you when like police are around and like other people using Waze, and it's like more clear to read for me. Yeah, that's the first thing on there. Then I have my music, and this is what it looks like when it goes from the shortcut to your music or like whatever app you put. The shortcut flashes and then it goes to the real app. Just my music. I like when I was with Cindy one night, I think it was actually the night before my birthday, she was just playing all these like old like music videos. So I have like all this stuff by like Fergie and Rihanna and stuff. Put some music suggestions down below, or like music that you like, because I really haven't had many ideas. But yeah, these are all my playlists. I share it with my whole family, so there's some random ones on there, but yeah, that's the music. And then I have the weather that also shows where I am. Yeah, obviously just to check the weather. And then I have search, which is Safari. Yeah, I don't really have any tabs up, but that's pretty self-explanatory. And then I have clock, which is just my alarms. And I should have my alarms for all the classes throughout the day just so I don't forget, because a lot of times my class will end early and then I have some free time, so I just like having the alarm on to remind me when I have to get back into class. Next is mail. So this is just my Gmail. I just like having this on my phone because I used to just have it on my computer, but then you don't really get notifications, and I like having that to see like when people email me, so that's nice to have. Next are some folders, but before I get into that, I'll just do the things on the bottom. It doesn't say the little name below it, but the little cake is FaceTime, and then the water is text, and then the girl shadow thing is call. Yeah, also none of these photos really have like a meaning. I just put like cute photos on there. Kind of like the weather, I have a little window, or like the clock, some coffee, because you know I gotta get up or do something. But besides that, not really. So yeah, I just put FaceTime, text, and call with each other because the original colors kind of all match with like the green and white. So yeah, all those down there are pretty self-explanatory. And then I have a social folder. So this has Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, and VSCO. So I'm sure you guys know what all these look like, but this is my Pinterest, or like what the home page looks like. Really haven't been on there in a while. Whoa, there's a lot of ads. But yeah, these are all my pins, and I have just all these little folders. I should go on there more. I think it's really fun to just scroll on like Pinterest and VSCO. It's kind of calming. Then we have Instagram, and you know, just go through stories, any posts, stuff like that. And then YouTube. Yeah, this is my homepage. See my notifications here, my subscriptions, my channel. Also, I don't know why that video comes up on my channel. I don't think it does because it's private, but like for me, every time I go on it, I see that video first. It's a video from like forever ago that's on private, so that's kind of random. I'll have to figure out how to make that not happen. Not that it's a big deal because you guys can't see it, but it's just weird. Also, thank you guys so much for 90,000 subscribers. My subscribers and views keep fluctuating because I guess there's like a new algorithm thing. So yeah, I don't want to say thank you for that and then literally have it go down, but hopefully it stays like that. I really appreciate and anyone who subscribes and watches my videos. It means the world to me. Yeah, I said that in my last video too, in my little birthday vlog, but just want to say thank you again. But yeah, that's the YouTube app. I'm sure you guys all have that. Also, I'm on like dark mode. I don't know why, but yeah, that's why like the background is dark. Snapchat, TikTok. Let's see the first thing that pops up. I've been spending too much time on here. Oh, we have an ad. Oh. I don't even know. I really don't. I was just gonna scroll through, but yeah, that's my TikTok. And then Visco. But yeah, this is my homepage, just some stuff. This is mine in my collection. So yeah, I love going on Visco. All right, before I go to the next folder, my battery is flashing, so I'll be back. That really scared me because I just turned my phone off without like saving the screen recording, but it saved, so we're all good. I was like, I'm really gonna have to redo all that. Okay, next folder, I just have a little camera, and this has my photos, the editing app I use, and just the camera app. So yeah, camera, pretty obvious one. You can see the setup, a little messy over there. See me. And then this is the editing app that I use. This was also in my how I edit my photos and videos. I included how I edited my Instagram photos in that. But let me know if you have any other apps that you like. I've been using this one for a while and I really do like it. I just can't find any other ones that may be good. I know a lot of people use Lightroom, but I don't know why. I just like can't figure that out. It seems so confusing. But yeah, I'll just use this photo. This was actually for my English project. I had to do a little comic, or not project, it was like a homework assignment. Yeah, my drawing skills are not the best. We're reading Beowulf right now. But yeah, just put any filters on it. That's just the one that I use. I like this filter and this filter. It looks bad on the photo because it was like dark. Yeah, I usually like those two. I think I use those the most. So that's that one. And then we have health. I have run, activity, and food. So run is just this run keeper app that, oh, I guess that was my last thing. But if I run around the neighborhood, it'll just save how far I've gone and where I've gone and how many calories I've burned. So that's nice. You can do it when you're on the treadmill and stuff. So I just like having that. Then you can save them and like logged how you felt and stuff. So I like this app a lot. And then I have activity and food. I just recently started doing this where you just track your food and you put in like your goals and like how active you are, and it'll kind of give you like a calorie amount for the day. I'm not really big on counting calories and I usually don't really do that. Recently I just have been feeling kind of gross and like I don't know why, like maybe it's because I'm not eating the right amount or just not being as active as I should be. So thought I'll maybe use this as a reference for the day. I don't know. I literally have only logged my food once, so I should be doing that more. But yeah, that's my Fitness Pal, by the way. So yeah, that's under health. And then I have money. So it's just my Venmo and my bank. Not really gonna click on that. If I click on bank, it just shows me how much money I have on my card. Obviously Venmo is just for paying people back. And then lastly, we have food. So I have the Starbucks app. Here, I'll click on that. I have a little girl with coffee, so that kind of goes with the app. But yeah, this is my mom's account. We just share an account. And honestly, I never really use this. I just did it when they had that little birthday thing. I think it was like $5 off, which was nice. But yeah, I just like having food apps because you always get little things like that. And also, when we went in there, Connor asked the guy how old he thought I was, like on my 18th birthday. And he thought I was 16. I was like, oh gosh. But I did have my mask on, but yeah, that was just funny. I forgot to say that in my vlog. And then I just have Wawa because apparently you can get free coffee on Tuesdays. I haven't figured out how to do that. Yeah, I can't even figure out my login. Maybe I have to make one. I thought I had one. I don't know. I literally swear I forget my password to like every single thing. And I know Apple in settings, here, let me show you guys. It has this password section, but I'll use the passwords on there and it still won't work. I'm like, I don't even know when I made that password. But yeah, so that's my whole kind of home screen. Then the back is just this pale blue color. When you swipe to the right, this is just all the apps you have. So in this suggestions, I have those on my main screen. Recently added, we can click on that. Here's the Widgetsmith app, the little blue square. That's how I made these two things. And yeah, I'm sure you can do some more stuff. I just learned how to do like this square and like rectangle thing to tell me the date. But yeah, it's a really cool app if you want to kind of personalize your phone. Oh, I have this Everbloom app, which was Bryant's new editing thing. I thought you could edit photos. Maybe you can. I haven't really like gone too far into it, but it looks like mostly for stories, maybe videos. But yeah, I thought that'd be cool to use. I haven't done that yet, but maybe I'll have some cool stories coming soon. Yeah, and the rest of the stuff I think was on my home screen. Same for social, productivity. Did I have my calendar on that? No, I don't think I have my calendar on my home screen because I just have those two things that tell me the date. But I have my calendar here, some reminders. I actually should set up reminders. I usually just make a to-do list and like keep everything that I have to do on my calendar, but maybe it would be nice to have kind of notifications too. My contacts, my notes, Google Docs. I use that a lot actually. Do I have a space for that? I actually do have space. Okay, maybe I'll put like Google Docs and notes in a folder next to food or something. Then I have shortcuts. That's what I use to make all those little cover photos with the apps. And again, the link down below will show you how to do that. The girl made it really easy to understand, which is really good for me. I thought it would be like so hard. But yeah, I really liked her video. Entertainment, creativity. Oh, I have layout, like just to put multiple photos together. And I have airbrush. Usually the filter that I like will just make everything dark, and then my teeth just look dark, and I'm like, okay, we need to whiten her up a bit. Like, I don't think they're that dark. And then utilities, we have the app store, calculator, settings, find my iPhone, my wallet. Oh, education, I have Canvas and Remind in there. My psych teacher uses Remind, and then Canvas I usually do on my computer, so I just keep that over here. And yeah, the rest of these little folders are all on my home screen, so I just put the apps that I don't use a ton in there, but like I said, maybe I'll bring a few out in this little free space that I have. But yeah, that is everything on my phone. I hope that was entertaining. Hopefully it gave you some ideas of things you can have on your phone or editing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you later.